Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace battery on Toyota Highlander. That should cover the generation from 2002 all the way until 2008, guys. We have this one here, it's dead, it's cold, so we will replace it with another Toyota battery. Stay with us, please subscribe, guys, let's grow the channel together. This is the one right here, pretty clean Highlander that we have. Okay, and that's the battery, guys. You need to open the hood. Okay, it's a very simple procedure replacing it. So what we are going to need now, it's a 10mm socket, okay, and we'll need to remove that bolt. Okay, right there. And we need to get that nut loose. Okay, don't take it off all the way, get it loose, because it goes down there. So you press down. Okay, you press this thing down and it will come out. Okay, let me see. If it's not coming out, then it's not loose enough. Okay, we need to get it loose a little bit more. Okay, perfect. Now, and you can see how it came out because it's like a hook on the bottom. Next, with the 10mm wrench, we'll need to remove, okay, the positive and the negative terminal. Okay, just get them loose. Perfect. We're going to pull this one out. Always wear gloves, guys. Don't ask why we don't. But always do, because there is battery acid that can hurt yourself pretty bad. Okay, that's the battery now. And stay with us to see what else you need to do at the end, guys, so you make sure that everything is good. Okay, that's original Toyota battery that we got, 60 months warranty. Okay, we're going to get the terminals out of the way. And what we do, we connect the positive first. I think that was the way, and negative after that. If not, please correct me. Okay, right there. We'll get those sides. And now we need to install the bracket that we removed earlier. So we'll need to make sure that we go there. Okay, to get in the hole down there, you can see. And now we'll need to install the bolt here. We'll need to get this one tight. Okay, battery is not moving anywhere. Now, guys, get one of those. They're like 99 cents at the parts store. Battery corrosion preventative spray. That's what it's called. You spray the terminals, okay? And when you spray the terminals, you're not going to have any oxidation, corrosion on top, which will prevent the car from starting. This one is really good stuff, guys, right there. So let's go ahead and see if it's going to start now, okay, with the new battery. If everything is good, if we have any warning lights of any kind. Okay, nothing. Everything is great. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let's grow that channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.